Hello guys, it's the EdShed. We're here, we're working, we're trying our best, we're moving some cars around, and we are getting some videos up together for you. Now it might not be the video you watch, it might not be one interesting, but please, this is one you're not going to want to miss because it's actually a very interesting video. And it's probably, well, it won't might be interesting, but it's a bloody interesting car. I hope you watch it. So if you do, click that little button there. Click that thing there, press that bell there, and comment down. I hate doing that. Comment down there, or comment out there, or just comment. Just say something because it would be lovely. So here we go, guys. This is the video. Enjoy it. Right, guys. We're gonna let the shed. That's the front. I think that camera's off. I think we should go out for a Aston Martin test drive because this thing, I'm just sick of seeing it sit in the shed. Do you know what I mean? Bring, right, hang on, I've got the camera running.
You don't want the meaty one on there, though, do you? You just want the gentle one?
Yeah, gentle one, really. You video me, tidy it up, and I will. I'll see if I can.
You got you know how you want to do it.
I've got one.
Is it filming?
Yeah, it's filming.
Oh, we're filming.
We are.
So here he is.
We're live at the shed. Taking that off. What I want to try and do is get all this on the grease. Coating it in remover. It's funny, isn't it, when you have to try and jet wash something without getting that. Oh, this is where that's why it blew all the oil down because the bone of the base gasket went. It was really nice under there. But I mean, what happened? So neat. Why am here?
Well, I was coming over there to look, and then because you sprayed me in the face.
Whether our avid viewers actually want to know this or not, but I did the speedo cable, I put a speedo cable on it. So that's another reason I'd like to go out for a little test drive. So would you like to come for a test drive? We could go down to the bout of round, right down to the end of the road, and give it a good give it a damn good thrashing. Ooh, well,
Okay.
right.
Well, we'll see you in a minute then.
See you in a minute. Yeah, let's go.